Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear little learners. How are all of you? Hope so you will be fit and fine and will be doing good. I'm your teacher, Miss Tanzila, and you are now with me in English class. And the topic for today's lecture is reading and writing of letter V and W. V and W. We will learn the reading and the writing formation of letter V and W in lowercase as well as in uppercase. Other than that, we are going to do some activity which is based on choose the first letter of the picture. So let's come with me to start our today lecture. First of all, we are going to revise our alphabet. Dear little learner, from A to U, we have learned in the previous lecture. In today's lecture, we will learn V and W. We have already learned from A to U, so let's revise it from start. A, this is capital letter and this one is the small one. A, and its sound is A. B, capital and this one is small. B, B. C, this one is capital and this one is small. C, K. D, capital, this one is capital and this one is small. D, D. E, this one is capital and this one is small one. Look at this. This one is capital E and this one is small e. After E, our next letter is F. F, this one is capital and this one is small and its sound is F. This after F, our next letter is G. What is our next letter after F? G. This one is capital and this one is small. G. Its sound is G. Gorilla. Now after G, our next letter is H. This one is capital and this one is small one. H. H. Its sound is H. Hat. Now after H, our next letter is I. Ice cream. This one is capital and this one is small. After I, next letter is J. J, jug. Okay. This one is capital and this one is small one. Now after J, the next letter is K. This one is capital K and this one is small k. Just a little difference between capital and the small one. K, kite. K, its sound is kite. Now after K, the next letter is L. Lion. After L, the next letter is M. This one is capital and this one is small. Monkey. Its sound is M, monkey. After M, our next letter is N. Okay. Night. After N, the next letter is O. It's look the same. But for capital O, you will use the 3 line. For the small one, you will use the 2 line. Okay. O, octopus. Now P. Also the like O, the small and the lower P looks the same. but just you will use the first three line for the capital and the last three line for the small one. After Q, our next letter, after P, our next letter is Q. Q, queen. Okay. After Q, the next letter is R. R is completely changed from uppercase letter. Look here, the lowercase and the uppercase are completely changed. Now after R, our next letter is S. Sun. They also looks the same. Look here, the capital and the small one. Just you will use for the capital the first three line and for the small the middle two line. After S, our next letter is T. Tiger. How it sound? Tiger. Okay. Now after T, our next letter is U. Okay, U. And we have learned up to U. Now our new letter is V and W. So first of all, we are going to learn how you will write the letter V and W. So let's come with me to start the writing formation of a letter V and W, both in lower and in uppercase. Okay, dear little student, this is the letter V. This is the letter V. How you will write the letter V? Let's learn it. One slanting line from top to the bottom and another slanting line just opposite to the first one from bottom to the top. It's too easy. Let's try once more. A slanting line from top to the bottom, then from bottom to the top, again another slanting line. Now you people try how you will write. Just take the pencil like this and draw a slanting line and another slanting line. Well done. Now you have learned your uppercase letter V. Now we are going to learn the lowercase. It's just like the uppercase, but you will use the middle line and the top line. Not like a capital letter, that in capital letter we have used uh, the first three lines, upper, middle, and the bottom. But in the lower case, we are going to use just the two line, the middle and the bottom. Slanting line from the middle to the bottom and then from the bottom to the middle, another slanting line. Well done. Now let's try once more. A slanting line from middle to the bottom and from bottom to the middle, another one. Well done. Now you people try how you will write it. Just drag your pencil. Well done. Well done. Now, dear little student, you have learned your uppercase and lowercase letter V. After V, our next letter of today's lecture is W. So let's start from the capital W, uppercase W, okay? It's just like a V. Look here. You will start a slanting line from top to the bottom, another slanting line from top to the bottom. It's just you learn how you will write the letter V. It's one V, look here, and then connecting with another V. Another slanting line from top to the bottom, and then another slanting line from bottom to the top. Let's start it. Slanting line from top to the bottom, another slanting line from bottom to the top, and then again from top to the bottom, and then again from bottom to the top. It will make you a letter W. Let's try once more. Draw a slanting line from top to the bottom, and then from bottom to the top another slanting line, and another slanting line from top to the bottom, and then from bottom to the top. Now it's your turn. How you will write? Just drag your pencil like this and make a four slanting line connecting with one another. Well done. Now we are going to write the lowercase w. It's also just like the uppercase, but again we are going to use the two line, the middle and the bottom for the lowercase w. Make a slanting line from middle to the bottom, and then from bottom to the middle, and then from middle to the bottom, and then again from bottom to the middle. Keep it in your mind. You will use the two line for the lowercase, middle and the bottom. Draw a slanting line from the middle to the bottom, and then from bottom to the middle, and then from middle to the bottom, and then from bottom to the middle. Well done. Good job. Now you people try. Just drag your pencil like this and draw a slanting line from middle to the bottom, and from bottom to the middle. Well done. You have learned your uppercase and lowercase letter W. Now we are going to learn the words that are started from the letter V. Okay? The word that have first letter V. We are going to learn the words that have first letter V. Vain. V is for vain. V-A-N, vain. V is for vegetable. V is for vegetable. Vegetables. Vegetables. V is for vegetable, and V is for was. V is for rain. V is for vegetable, and V is for was. Okay? Vain, vegetable, was. Understood? The word that start from V is vain, V for vegetable, and V for was. Now we are going to learn the words that start from a letter W. The word that have the first letter W. We were watch. The first letter of the watch is W. The first letter of the watch is W. W-A-T-C-H. W is for watch. W is for window. And W is for watermelon. Repeat with me. Watch, window, and watermelon. W is for watch. W is for window, and W is for watermelon. Water, water, melon, melon, watermelon. W is for watch, W for window, and W for watermelon. Now choose the first letter of the picture. What is this? This is a watch. So what is the first letter of the picture? We know. You know. W? Yes, well done. He also picked the W from here, and he chose it correctly because the first letter of the watch is W. Keep it in your mind. Remember it. The first letter of the watch is W. The first letter of the watch is W. Now, again, there is another picture, and they say choose the first letter of the picture. V, W, X are given. So, what is the first letter of the vein? This is a picture of vein. X? No. W? No, we have just learned that W is for watch, and W is for window, and W is for watermelon. So, what is the first letter? Check it out. It is V. You can write it in uppercase as well as in lowercase. Okay. V is for vein. The first letter of the vein is V. What is the first letter of the vein? V. V is for vein. Okay. The first letter of the vein is V. He choose the letter V from here and he pick it correctly because the first letter of the vein is V. Now it's time for a homework. Write lowercase as well as uppercase letter V and W in your notebook and then check it from your teacher. So bye for now. See you soon, inshallah, in the next class.